Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to another Stamp Club reveal, and this one is for November of 2024. Y'all, we're 2 months from 2025. Isn't that crazy? It blows my mind. I'm in love with this set. It is so stinking cute. You're going to love it. Just wait till you see it. But you might be wondering, how do I become a club member? Super easy, you guys. All the information's in the description below. As a club member, you get a new, never before seen stamp set every month delivered to your door. Secondly, you get a 15% discount on most of your purchases in our store. And every month, your Stamp Club subscription adds loyalty points to your account, so you earn points every month as being in the club as well. Okay, so let's take a look at this. You can go and get all that information from below if you want to join, but look at this set. It is called Foxy Duo. Are you kidding me? Look how stinking cute this is. So this is the set that Charity did right before she went to her big girl job. That's what I keep calling her new job, her big girl job. But this was Charity's, I guess her last stamp set. It sounds sad. It might not be. Who knows? She might be back one day. But look how cute this is. The little foxes. And I love the idea behind this one, okay? So what you've got is this little guy here that all of these little sentiments fit inside his little sign. These two here, it's a little boy and a little girl, and you can put them side by side and you can have the little hearts coming up between them. You can have the little fall leaves falling all around them. And look at this, like the wind is blowing with the leaves in it. And then look at him coming out of a pumpkin. I just think this is so adorable. And what I really love, it doesn't have to be just for fall. They're foxes. You can use them for anything, right? I love this. Now, I want to show you the samples that Miss Geneva and Miss Opal brought in. This is so cute. Look at this. They used the boy and the girl, and they colored them and put them side by side. Hello, beautiful. And look, I love you. Isn't that adorable? Oh my goodness, I love it so much. And then look at this guy. He is in a pumpkin in a pile of flowers. When you open it up, it says Happy Fall. Look how pretty with the little wind blowing. I love that. And then this one says Happy Fall. It's letting the paper do the work here. Happy Fall in the middle. And on the inside, it looks like this. I love these samples. These little guys are so cute. Now, I want to tell you, one of the things that we had designed it to do was put these guys together and put those hearts between them. So if you want to make like a Valentine card with these guys, you can, because wouldn't that be so cute to have these guys sitting side by side and then have the little Valentine hearts coming up and then on the inside, I love you, something like that. So it's not just for fall. I want to make sure I tell you that. It's not just for fall. You can use it for any season, and I love it so much. Even look at the font on that I love you and that hello beautiful. You can use those anytime. All right, you guys, that is our club set for this month, Foxy Duo. If you would like to pick up one of these sets and you're not in the club, you certainly can do that. That'll be available on our store. And if you made a project using last month's stamp set, you just might be the winner for our $50 gift card we give away every month. So if you did make a project and post it to our customer gallery, check the description to see if you were the winner. And if you'd like to enter to win this month, make a project using this guy, put it onto our customer gallery at MaymayMadeIt.com, and you could be entered to win a $50 gift card. Hey, thanks so much for being here today, and until next time, bye now.